renewable energy. We cannot eliminate global warming, for as Thanos would say, I am inevitable. But just like the Avengers beat Thanos, we can slow global warming. My name is Shea, and I will be telling you how we can use renewable energy to stop global warming. Global warming is caused by cars, factories, overuse of energy, too much meat consumption, food and water wastage, using plastic items, etc. When we do these things, we create greenhouse gases that enter the Earth's atmosphere and cause the surface temperature of the Earth to rise. This leads to other horrible effects like ice caps melting, sea levels rising, more and more severe natural disasters, and warmer ocean temperatures. Over the last 20 years, 2/3 of the extreme weather events were caused by humans. Not only is global warming harming us and wildlife, but it is also hurting the environment for future generations. Global carbon emissions in 2021 were the highest ever, with the US and China having the most emissions. In fact, the US had emissions of 15.5 tons per capita, while other places like Europe only had 6.4. These are the UN sustainability goals. As you can see, using clean energy is number 7 on the list, and protecting the planet from global warming is number 13. Renewable energy is energy that doesn't increase global warming, as it does not emit greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. It comes from natural sources or processes that are constantly replenished, like the sun, the wind, or even water. Certain types have different benefits. Currently, renewable energy only takes up 15% of all energy in America, while other countries like Portugal, Norway, and Costa Rica use 100% renewable energy. We need to increase the use of renewable energy. One common form of renewable energy in the U.S. is hydro energy, mainly from Niagara Falls. It is very reliable, but is capital intensive to build new plants. Solar and wind energy have historically lacked adoption, but they should grow a lot in the future. And the cost of solar energy has decreased almost 70% over the last decade. On the other hand, the price of natural gas has increased, which makes renewable energy more compelling. On average, you can break even from the initial cost of installing a solar panel between 5 and 7 years. While using renewable energy such as solar energy, we can produce energy independently and either store it in batteries or selling excess to the utility. Currently, battery storage is only limited to about 4 hours for most applications, but a lot of work is being done to increase that. If we don't reduce greenhouse gas emissions dramatically by 2030, we will be doomed. Here are some things that need to happen to prevent global warming. To increase the renewable energy adoption. The government needs to speed up permitting of renewable energy and provide further incentives to promote the development of new technologies. And utilities need to be mandated to connect renewable generation to the grid. And the government needs to restrict deforestation and have strict rules about carbon emissions. Here are some things that we can do to reduce global warming. We can start to buy more electric vehicles, as transportation currently accounts for 30% of all greenhouse gas emissions in the U.S. We can also install solar panels in our houses, as we will save money over time. Moreover, we can speak to our local representatives to encourage more favorable regulations. Finally, we can use more eco-friendly products and energy-efficient devices, such as eco-friendly windows, LED light bulbs, and smart thermostats. That, my friends, is the 1/14 million chance that we have to defeat global warming. For more information, go check out my blog.